Kia ora koutou katoa. Today we're going to use the phrase He aha te wā to ask what is the time. You will also hear people use kua aha te wā, kei te aha te wā, or ko te aha te wā, or what is the time. You'll find a link to these fun activities in the description panel below. Here are some kupu words we're going to be using. Karaka, o'clock. Minite, minutes. Aora, hours. Ata, morning. Ahiahi, afternoon. Or night. He aha te wā, what is the time? Kotahi karaka, 1 o'clock. He aha te wā, what is the time? Pitu karaka, 7 o'clock. He aha te wā, what is the time? Te kau karaka I te ata, 10 a.m. He aha te wā, what is the time? Toru karaka I te ahiahi, 3 p.m. He aha te wā, what is the time? Iwa karaka I te pō, 9 p.m. I hope you found this video helpful. You'll find other videos and activities if you look up EduCost links in YouTube. You'll also find a further video on time that will look at kite, to, and mai i te, past.